Hello viewers and welcome to our show called Credit Talk. Our special guest today is Dr. Credit and she is from badcreditmd.com and our topic today will be about not paying back a payday loan. Say hello to our audience, Dr. Credit.
Hello.
A number of consumers who have found themselves in a position where they need some extra cash opt for short-term payday loans. The price of these loans comes in the form of extremely high interest rates that usually become due on the date of the consumer's next paycheck. The combination of short repayment periods and high service fees unfortunately often lead the consumer stuck in short-term low debt trap. The result of the one-time, quick financial relief can often lead to perpetual, long-term debt. Dr. Credit, what happens if can't afford to repay my payday loan?
If you have found yourself in a position where you are unable to repay a payday loan, there are a number of alternative options that are available to you. Educate yourself as to your rights regarding these often unfair loans can many times lead to avoiding your responsibility to some of these charges. The Uniform Commercial Code defines an actual check as being a draft drawn on a bank and payable on demand. In other words, the post-dated check does not legally fall under this definition. This is because a post-dated check is unable to be paid upon demand. Typically, most states in America do not consider a post-dated check to be a fraudulent act or an issue that falls under the bad check laws once the check is cleared on the date it was intended for. Because of this, if your payday loan was founded on a post-dated check and, because of unforeseen circumstances, you do not have the money for it to clear on the date agreed, then the loan company cannot legally file any fraudulent charges against you. Instead, they must go through the services of a debt collection agency to redeem their loss. Still, not paying honest debt can eventually lead to a lawsuit in the long run. If they happen to win, a judgment will then be placed against you which will include not only the amount you had owed, but the collector can then seek a garnishment order notifying your bank to surrender the funds to them in order to cover your debt. At the same time, a number of states have established laws in order to protect any consumers who have found themselves in a position where they are unable to repay their short-term payday loans. To learn about these laws, you should visit www.badcreditmd.com.
Dr. Credit, we would like to thank you for being on our show today along with thanking our sponsor badcreditmd.com.
I was glad to be here today.
And folks, if you need any help with any credit problems, Bad Credit MD is a great resource to get answers. See you on our next show.
Bye.